I want to start by showing you one of the most important mobilizations or active stretching that you can do for your ankle. Now we're going to be working on our heel. The calcaneus or heel bone is what's called the rudder of the foot. Now if you know anything about a rudder on a boat, it's what guides and directs a boat and steers it the way it's supposed to go. This heel is so valuable to us in being able to direct what happens to the rest of the joints and the bones down the chain into the foot and up the chain into the ankle, knee, and hip. So we really want to address this. This is probably very restricted on most people who watch this, and I want you to understand how important it is to get this moving. Now it's a little tricky to do on your own. This is typically something I do for people, but you can. It just takes a little bit of work and a little bit of effort to get positioned. And I'll show you how to do this. So we're going to take a towel, and I've just got a little hand towel here, and I'm going to roll it up. And it doesn't have to be big. In fact, it needs to be fairly small. Now, you can do this on the floor. It just depends on how mobile or stretchy you are. But here on the chair, it seems to work best for most people. Now, once we're here, I'm going to put a lot of pressure on my heel. Putting this pressure down, the towel roll is about mid-foot. I'm putting that pressure down, so there's a little bit of gap under here. So I'm going to put that pressure down, and as I put that pressure down, I'm going to pump my ankle. What this does is this stretches that joint of my heel back and forth as I pump my ankle. This is really going to help stretch out this calcaneus. We're going to go back and forth. The towel makes it comfortable, it gets it up, and you're going to do about 20 pumps. Now we need to go and stretch the other direction. But essentially we're getting into this position. I know it's hard, it's awkward. Try and do it the best you can. If you can't do this by yourself, lay your leg out straight and have someone else come push on your ankle while you pump. But we're going to try and get in this position. I'm going to get here. I'm going to push down on the outside of my heel. And again, I'm pumping that ankle as I push down. Doing again about 15 to 20 reps, really getting that stretched out. After you do that, give it a little break, do both heels, and you're going to feel already in just one session how good that will feel for you. I would recommend doing it 2 to 3 sets when you first start to really try and stretch it out, and try and do it 2 to 3 times a day. If you're not sure if this is the cause of your pain, I would start here because it is amazing how much comes from that calcaneus being restricted and tight. You get that loosened up, try it for a week, and if that helps relieve your knee, hip, or foot symptoms, you know you're on the right track. If not, I would still encourage you to do it and throw it in at least once a week along with your other foot, ankle, knee, or hip stretching.